Hi lovelies, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make porridge plantain, and you'll also be adding your periwinkle to it. If you're a new viewer here, you're very much welcome, and for my regular viewers, thank you for watching and for always returning. Today's video is very easy to make. All you need to do is watch till the end to see how I was able to make this. So let's begin. First, in my pot I have some water, and I'll go in with my plantain. So this is the way I cut mine. You can decide to cut yours in another shape. Then I'll just close my pot and let this boil for a few minutes, and this is what we're having here. Next, I'll go in with my chopped onion. I'll be adding some seasoning to taste, and then I'll also be going in with my salt to taste. You can always adjust yours to your preference. And I'll go in with my chili pepper. You can as well use blended pepper, you can use fresh pepper, any one of your choice, but here I'm using chili pepper for this. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to add in my periwinkle. It was cut and also washed. I'll just give this a good mix to make sure everything combines together. If you have any other protein you wish to add, you can do it and add. You can maybe add your dry fish, any other thing you need to add, you can add to this. Then I'll go in with my palm oil. You need enough oil for this. If maybe the oil added was not enough, please do well to add more oil to this. I'll just give this a good mix. Please, when you're also doing yours, do not add too much water to this. It's better you add little water, then when you see it's not well cooked, you add more water to it than adding too much water. Then I went in with my bomo. I just had this bomo, so I just added this to my meal, and this is what we're having here. The last thing I'll be adding to this meal is my scent leaf. The scent leaf actually gives it a better taste. So I'll just give this a good mix, and that is all for this porridge plantain. Let me know if this is something you'll be trying, and if you're still watching till this point, please don't forget to like this video. You can also subscribe to see more of my videos, and do well to leave a comment so I'll know what you think about this recipe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.